What's up, YouTube? This is Mesha Calhoun, and this is All Things Me with Mesha Calhoun. So we are going to get into a highly requested video. As you know, many of you all know that I run two small businesses, one called Princess Lash and the other is Calhoun Sweet Treats. So this video is in reference to Princess Lash, which I'll have all of the contact info and my social media handles below in the description box. So today we're going to discuss how to apply strip lashes. So we're going to give a brief background on just, you know, the usage and the purposes of strip lashes. So I'm going to be highlighting this particular box, which is the REL lash. Can't see it, but this is the strip lash and REL. We're gonna go over how we apply these, and the point of using strip lashes is to enhance enhance your beauty, so that you don't always have to rely on your natural lashes. Like for instance, my natural lashes are pretty long, but I still wear strip lashes just to give me that extra boost. So when you're getting your lashes, you'll use, for instance, this lash here. This is for your right eye. This lash here, this is for your left eye. So you'll gently take them out, remove them from the package. Make sure that you're holding the end. You see like that particular end right there. You'll hold that and be careful not to rip your lash. Just pull it gently. Okay, so there's already somewhat of a adhesive on it before you even apply your glue. So then you'll need to measure your eye shape, because not all aren't one size fits all, basically. So you'll need to measure it according to your eye shape. So some eyes are smaller, some are longer, some are wider, whatever. So make sure that you get it and just test it out first. So hold it like this, and this is not going to be a professional tutorial. This is the way I learned how to apply strip lashes, so I'm just sharing it with you all, because there's a lot of people like myself who don't know how to apply them the professional way. I can't just lay it and go. So this is my way of applying strip lashes. So to each his own on how you do this. But to test it out, to make sure that I don't have to trim anything, I'll just put it here. And this is so difficult to do it without looking in the mirror. And for the most part, I can pretty much tell without it actually being on that this is pretty much my eye shape. Most of the time when I get lashes, I don't have to trim them. But if you do, always trim from the outside in. Don't trim from this side in. Always trim from this end. So let me get my glue. Well, first, hold on. Before I get the glue, this is how I do it. So not always, but for the most part, if I have like a certain look that I'm going for, I'm going to put on eyeliner. So I just get my eyeliner. So I've applied my eyeliner because it was kind of difficult looking into my phone. So I just went ahead and put it in the mirror. So you see that the eyeliner is applied along the eye, of course. So when you put the glue on, that's what you're gonna aim for. You're gonna aim at putting the strip lash along the line of eyeliner. That way, it kind of gives you a visual on exactly where you need to place the lash, because you don't want to place it too high. Then it's gonna be visible that the lash is not, you know, near your eye line. So I'm gonna get the glue, and I sell glue on my website, but for whatever reason, I forgot to grab my glue. So I'm gonna use this brand, which is Clutch, when I don't have my own brand. And it's a, excuse my nail, it's a white glue instead of the dark, which I have both. I have black lash glue and white. So whichever you prefer, they're both available. So you'll put the glue alongside or along the strip or the alongside the band. So you'll apply it here. And it'll look like this. A little neater, but even if you get it right here, you can just wipe it off. It doesn't really matter because it will dry clear. It doesn't dry white. So once you do that, you'll kind of fan your lashes just to get the adhesive to be sticky. You don't want to apply your glue and then just put it on. You want to make sure that it's fairly, I think in the makeup world, they reference it as tacky so that it can stick to your eyelash line. So sometimes you could blow it to speed the process up. And then it'll look like this, where it's not as white, but like a kind of clear glue along the band of your eyelash. And then you will place it, like I said, on your lash line or the line where the eyeliner is. And you will place it there. And this is so difficult for me since I'm not looking in the mirror. One second, let me look in the mirror first. Laid along the lines of my eyeliner, and then I just go in and I squeeze the lashes and I just kind of pat it. Don't move your finger along the line where, where you just rub your eyeliner off. That defeats the purpose. So just kind of pat it just so that the adhesive can stick to your skin, and then shape it how you want it. Okay, so as you can see the difference, one lash is on, and even though you can see my natural lashes, this just gives it a pop that I like on occasion. I don't wear strip lashes every day, but when I do, I love to wear them. So we're gonna do the second eye, and again, we're going to pull the lash up from the box. Apply the glue. Like this. Just apply it alongside the band of your lash. And then give it a fan so that the glue can become tacky, which means like a sticky form. Let's see. And I believe most professional makeup artists don't blow on it just because you don't want like transmission of spit. So if you don't want, or if you are a makeup artist, just fan it, don't blow on it. But these are mine, whatever, I'm gonna blow on it. So then once again, you will apply it alongside your, where the eyeliner is. And then I'll be right back so I can show you, because it's difficult for me to put this while looking into the phone. So I need to look in the mirror. Okay, so I'm back. And my natural lash is getting in the way. So you just press it. And again, shape it how you need to so that my eyes get water. Shape it how you need to so that they both even out. And there you go. So notice that I had on mascara before I applied my strip lashes. So you don't want to put mascara on your lashes because you can mess up the longevity of your lashes. So for my mink lashes, they can be used up to 25 times or more. I've had a pair of Cinderella lashes that I've used, I know, well over 25 times, just because I maintain them well. I remove them each night, put them back in the case, and store them properly. I never try to put on X amount of glue to keep my lashes on for days and weeks at a time. I remove them each night. Like I said, to each his own. If you want to wear your lashes for weeks, that's not the proper way, but do you. So I remove them so that I can keep wearing the same pair as long as I can. So like I said, this is how you apply strip lashes. And then there you go. So basically all you do, make sure that you get them out of your box. Let's recap. Get them out of the box. Make sure that you size the lashes for your eyes. Trim them from the end, which is here. If you need to make them shorter, trim them coming from the end. Do not trim them from the inside of your eye. Then apply your liner until you get good where you can apply them without it. So applying the liner just basically helps aid you into knowing where you need to apply the adhesive when you're putting on your lashes. So then once you do that, then put the strip along that side, press them, you know, like this, just to get that extra security of making sure that it holds. And then that's it. So once you do that, then you're good to go. And again, this is the Ariel Mink Lash, and it will be found in the description box at princesslashshop.com or at princesslash.store. I have not converted all of my mink lashes to the princesslashshop.com. So if you want a variety or more variety of mink lashes, go to princesslash.store until everything is converted to princesslashshop.com. So again, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you can see more how-to videos like this, or how-to videos dealing with sweet treats or just business in general. I'm working on making sure that I post more so that you all can be engaged more. I'm going to make sure that I'm posting all aspects of my life, whether it's business related, vlogs, whatever it may be, just so that you all can have more content about me. So if you want to check that out, again, subscribe to my channel, press the notification bell, like, share, and comment. I always want to see what you all have in mind as far as new content ideas. So just drop them down below. Also give a thumbs up in the comments if you've watched the video to the end. if you need more tips, or if you found that this video was helpful, just let me know in the comments as well. If you didn't find it helpful, let me know that as well. I'm always up for constructive criticism. So if I need to redo this video just to show you all a different angle or whatever the case may be, let me know. This is my first like tutorial trying to describe something in motion of, you know, on my face. So just give me, you know, a thumbs up on this video, like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you all next time.